Folks, I couldn't go without making a statement related to the State of the Union. And here's a brief video. But first, my disclaimer.
This is my disclaimer read out loud in a pre-recorded audio read out loud. I am and will be making statements and strong opinions throughout this video. To say allegedly or not, I can only share information which I have received from various sources that I believe to be possibly true or already true. Some things are true already. I had a previous disclaimer, which I had somewhere previously, for my said handle on Rumble, which is also named Shelley Love 1. So this is my statement and statement for my statements as follows. Some for education purposes to inform what I thought needed to be informed as follows. Here's my statement in my statement as follows. What do I say? I would speak of Al Green. That Democrat one who makes a statement. Another protest like the same one did the previous year in 2025. This time he holds up a protest sign. A protest sign. A sign as in response to the video about election fraud that had the flash of the Obamas with heads on apes' bodies. It was accidentally a screenshot from another recent video of other Democrats with heads on animal bodies, including Joe Biden's head on monkey body, including him eating a banana. There was no outrage. It was only an outrage about the Obamas, and not the others' heads of Democrats on animal bodies. Only the Obamas automatically, because the said Obamas' heads on ape bodies. Folks claiming it was about portraying black folks as apes. It's not about black folks being apes. It was the Obamas, not black folks. So he makes a statement in protest: black folks aren't apes or black folks. Apes, since his hand was at an angle covering the aunt of the sign. He gets kicked out the State of the Union 2026 as well. Then there are the two radicals there that invoked their rage on open display. Then there is the only Democrat that seems like he has some sense these days, who is very verbal sometimes, if it's even the original of him. I know some people have been replaced, I will say allegedly these days. Okay, enough with the pre-recorded statement. Here's me.
I don't have too much to say, but it's just that all I'm just going to say is, and they had to, and Fetterman was the only one, and I heard of some other, maybe a couple others that stood up on some things when they had the State of the Union. But on a serious note, I really, I'm just keep thinking about it, because he wasn't well at one time, and I'm wondering if he really, because they can replace politicians, they replace different ones as well. But I'm not going to say too much more about that, and then I'm gonna put some stuff into this. I can put some stuff in the description. I saw that they had the one where someone showed the parallel from when Bill Clinton back in 1995 in his State of the Union, and the crazy part about it is that other presidents talked about illegal immigration and different things like that, and they didn't get the pushback that they are getting now. And I'm going to see if I can show some clips in this latter part of this video. But the thing is, the truth be told, is that the simple fact is he asked the people if they're interested in, if they feel that it's more important to protect Americans or that prioritize Americans over first over illegal immigrants, and he asked the people what they about the stand for that, and I heard like Fetterman, he stood up, and I think maybe a couple other people, and everybody else, all the other Democrats, they sat down, and they showed how when Bill Clinton was talking about the same thing, how all the people gave him a standing ovation on both sides. But now they want to prioritize illegal immigrants because that's their voter base, because a lot of us black folks and different other considered minorities are waking up. So they want to prioritize illegal immigrants because that's their voter base, because at this point more people are waking up, and they don't want to support the Democrats anymore like they did previous times. So I'm not going to make this video too long. I got other videos. I got other strong opinions as follows, and this was my statement, and I'm sticking to it, and I got other statements coming. Anyway, I wanted to get this video about this back in last month, back in February, but unfortunately I didn't get a chance to get out the videos, and I had to clear up space on my phone, and I want to get another device, get just something where I could save my videos on, but right now, I'm putting out a few videos at a time, and I know I'm behind some weeks on some stuff because I don't do like other people. I work a lot of hours. I work full time, and I don't always when I'm off, I don't always try to work on my videos, but I'm gonna have to start doing that instead of doing other things. Like if I get home from work, just work on the videos and things like that, and work on stuff at work between when I'm on break or whatever the case may be. Do what needs to be done so I can get these videos out to the people. And I'll just say like, share, and subscribe. And I have statements, and my statements as follows.
Don't forget to check in description for links and my correspondence if I put it there. Sometimes I put a link or more to other content creators' videos that explain in their videos more than I could.